This is me cleaning up my desk setup that I only put together 2 weeks ago. And this is me rebuilding it in a new location. I'm going to explain why, but first, let me take you back to this morning. Alright, so it's now 6 AM in the morning and we just finished filming content for Son of a Baker. We just filmed them doing a delivery at a toll around the corner and we're going to try to edit that tonight. So we're all finished here. I'm going to go to the gym and then head to the office to unload my new desk there. But first, we're going to get a coffee. Yesterday I unloaded everything from my desk into this car here. So the old office was located in Liverpool, and being from Lane Cove now, that is an hour-and-a-half trek to get to the office, which is too far to do on the daily basis, and that ended up in working from home most days of the week. But the thing about working from home is that the line between work and personal life becomes really blurred, and I personally find it pretty hard to switch off when your work environment and your personal life is all in the same place. So we decided to get an office in a little bit of an in-between. And this is our new office. What's quite interesting is I remember admiring these offices and looking at them probably like 1 or 2 years ago, and now we're actually moving into it, which is awesome. So this is the general gist of it, so my computer's gonna go. I'm just gonna move it all together now. So I reckon I'll put it all together. So I reckon I'll set it up, and then I need to go buy some zip ties and some batteries and stuff, and then we'll get all the cables together because there's so many cables. Okay, that is the new setup. I can assure you that it does look better in person than it does on camera. I think it actually looks very nice in person. But that is the setup in the new office. So obviously there's going to be lots of things coming. You know, we're probably going to get like whiteboard, probably a few more computers, put all our camera equipment and stuff in here, but this is the main sort of point of this video, is bringing my whole setup here, because this is like where I spend 90% of my time is working on this. So I haven't wired anything up yet, so everything's just kind of sitting here. The monitors and computers are all sitting there. Nothing's actually wired up to turn on, so I don't think any shops are open right now. Actually, turns out Officeworks is open at this time. So I'm gonna go to Officeworks and then get this set up first before we head to the gym. Alright, so we have the zip ties and we have all the batteries and everything, so we're heading back now and then we'll put it all together. And then once we finish that, we'll decide between either going to the gym or starting editing. I'm not too sure yet, but the gym is literally right there. So it's like 100 meters down the road, so it's perfect positioning for an office. Alright, so it's time to get the cables sorted, but before I do that, I'm going to show you a bit around this office area, because it's pretty cool. Like it's pretty different to like any normal office, I reckon. So for starters, there's these like little rooms that you can go in to like take calls and do work and stuff, but there's also more. So there's these really cool open areas where you can do work and stuff. There's lots of other offices in here, a common area, and I think there's like 3 kitchens. That's the office area. I'm going to wire this computer up, and then I think we'll head to the gym after that. So there's probably like 30 cables between everything, so it's a little bit tricky to know what goes where. Alright, so we've decided to go to the gym. It's up that way. I'm just running to my car to grab my spare shoes and stuff, and then we're back at the office. So I think one of the main things that I want to work on now that we're in this new place is just getting that consistency and getting that routine back in place, because you know, I reckon just having the routine of going to the gym in the morning and then heading over to the office to do editing and stuff, I think that's a good way to just keep consistent, which obviously means keep seeing results.